Difficult real estate shots next on ArtCo Drone Solutions. Thanks for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to deal with difficult real estate shots. I just recently did a real estate shoot where a house was on a corner of a busy street. So if you look at the photos here, you'll notice that this house was on a not really busy street, but fairly busy. Fortunately for me, I did it early enough in the morning that the traffic wasn't very bad. So what I did was I crossed the street and got on the sidewalk, and I was directly across the street from the side of the house. So what I did was I set up my drone from the spot that I launched from and got to an optimal height, and I was able to get 3 shots from right and left and center, and always maintained my aircraft over the sidewalk, made sure that I was not over the street. So I was able to do that. Got some great shots. If you look at the photos, got my gear together, went back down the road. Oh, and also if you notice in one of the shots, you can see the lake in the background. So that is a selling point for the realtor when they get those photos. So I was able to get back across the street, and I parked the car about 2 or 3 blocks away. So my car was not in the photos, and I was able to get photos of the front, the back, the roof, and the 2 other sides, or the 3 other sides. So those came out really good. Also, I had to deal with airspace. I was in a Class D airspace. Fortunately for me, I was on the outer rim, which if you look at an airspace map, or it's like an upside down wedding cake. So I was on the outer tier, and the maximum, or the lowest height on that was 400 feet, which is the maximum limit for my drone, which I never got near that height. I think I got maybe not even 100 feet. So that worked out great. Always check out your airspace using Airmaps. Another gig that I did, if you look at the photos here, those were in Aurora, Colorado, and this house was near Buckley Air National Guard. So I was in like controlled airspace. So what I did was I got LAANC approval through Airmaps, and I was able to fly at less than 100 feet. Got the great shots. It was no big deal, no fuss, no muss. Got the great shot. The realtor was really happy with it. I was able to get paid right away. So that worked out great. So those are some of the tips that I have for successful real estate photos. So take care, keep your flights safe, and keep them flying.